Hi, I'm Skip Reynolds with Skipton Law, Estate Planning, and Elder Law here in Inglewood, Colorado. And on today's video, I want to talk about a document that's handed out in our area called the Five Wishes. It's often handed out by doctors or other medical professionals and is purported to be a medical power of attorney with a living will. And the reason I want to talk about this is many people will sign this document even if at home they might have an old medical power of attorney or an old living will back at home. And it's because they may not understand the relationship between this Five Wishes document and the ones that they had done previously. And one of the big mistakes is once you sign this Five Wishes document, you have made those prior documents that you did back in the day. Maybe you went to an attorney, maybe you didn't, but they are now no longer have any force because we always look at the most recently signed document. And so be aware, if you have these documents from previous, if you are signing this Five Wishes document, you may be making that old one null and void now. You may be revoking it completely, and that may or may not be what you intended. The other thing that we see with this Five Wishes is that often it's not signed correctly. It's not signed with witnesses. It's not signed with a notary. Now, I understand that it says that it will be good in all states. But some states, if you were to be traveling there and something bad happened to you, they do require both witnesses and a notary. So it may or may not be good, or if you moved somewhere else, same issue. The other big thing that I see with the Five Wishes, and I really can't understand why it's not there, is that we have our medical information is protected by a law called HIPAA. And HIPAA is all of our private medical information. And on the medical power of attorney or in a separate document, usually done by attorneys, we create this HIPAA authorization so as to say who can see this protected information. And oh, by the way, it just usually happens to be those folks on our medical power of attorney. But nowhere in this Five Wishes document is there anything regarding the HIPAA protected information. Now, I don't understand it. I don't understand how medical providers would hand something out like this. But they are handing it out and people are signing it and they're missing pieces. And if you are missing that HIPAA piece and you need information that would be protected by that law, you may or may not get that information. So be aware, just because it's there and available to you, the Five Wishes may not be the placebo that we all think. If you like this content, like it on our YouTube channel, go to our other social media and like us there. If you want to hear more content like this, you can come to one of our 2 bi-monthly workshops talking all things estate planning, powers of attorney, wills, trusts, how to protect your estate from predators such as our family, the government, and also things like long-term care and nursing home costs. You can find that on our website at www.skiptonlaw.com, and you can click on the resources tab, and there you can find the workshops and other information. Or if you'd like to just call our office and set a time to come into the workshop, again, it is completely free. You can call our office at 720-440-2774. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, my name is Skip Reynolds with Skipton Law, Estate Planning, and Elder Law here in Inglewood, Colorado. Everybody have a great day.